Bioengineering, also known as biological engineering, stands at the intersection of biology and engineering, representing a field that is as dynamic as it is transformative. It is defined by the application of engineering principles and design concepts to biological systems, with the aim of developing products, technologies, and solutions that address some of the most pressing challenges in health, agriculture, the environment, and industry. The story of bioengineering is one of innovation, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, with its roots stretching back decades and its influence now touching nearly every aspect of modern life. At its essence, bioengineering is about harnessing the complexity of living systems and applying the rigor of engineering to solve real-world problems. Unlike traditional engineering disciplines, which often deal with inanimate materials and predictable systems, bioengineering must contend with the variability, adaptability, and intricacy of life itself. This requires not only a deep understanding of biological processes, ranging from molecular genetics to ecosystem dynamics, but also mastery of engineering fundamentals such as thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, materials science, and systems design. The result is a field that is inherently interdisciplinary, drawing upon and contributing to a wide array of scientific and technological domains. The scope of bioengineering is vast and ever-expanding. In medicine, bioengineers have revolutionized diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. The development of medical devices, from pacemakers and imaging equipment to artificial organs and prosthetics, has dramatically improved the quality and longevity of human life. Tissue engineering and regenerative medicine have made it possible to grow tissues and even organs in the laboratory, offering hope for patients facing organ failure and reducing reliance on donor transplants. Gene therapy and genome editing technologies, such as CRISPR-Cas9, are enabling the precise correction of genetic defects, opening new frontiers in the treatment of inherited diseases and cancer. Bioengineering's impact extends far beyond the hospital or clinic. In agriculture, bioengineers are developing genetically modified crops that are more productive, resilient, and nutritious, helping to address food security in a changing climate. Advances in synthetic biology are enabling the creation of microorganisms that can produce pharmaceuticals, biofuels, and biodegradable materials, reducing our dependence on fossil resources and minimizing environmental impact. Environmental bioengineering is tackling pollution and ecosystem degradation, with engineered microbes and plants being deployed to clean up contaminated sites and restore natural habitats. One of the hallmarks of bioengineering is its ability to mimic, modify, or even create entirely new biological systems. Biomimetics, for example, involves studying nature's solutions to complex problems, such as the structure of a gecko's foot or the efficiency of photosynthesis, and applying those insights to the design of new materials, devices, and processes. Synthetic biology takes this a step further, allowing scientists to design and construct new biological parts and systems that do not exist in nature, with applications ranging from sustainable manufacturing to living therapeutics. The history of bioengineering is marked by a series of groundbreaking innovations. Early milestones include the invention of X-rays and electrocardiograms, the development of artificial limbs and heart-lung machines, and the creation of the first biocompatible implants. The latter half of the 20th century saw the emergence of molecular and cellular bioengineering, with advances in biomaterials, drug delivery, and gene editing, transforming both research and clinical practice. Today, bioengineering is at the forefront of technological convergence, with artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and robotics accelerating discovery and enabling new applications at scales, ranging from the molecular to the ecological. Current trends in bioengineering reflect the field's rapid evolution and its responsiveness to societal needs. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze complex biological data, design new biomaterials, and optimize drug development. Nanotechnology is enabling the creation of targeted drug delivery systems, advanced biosensors, and novel medical implants. 3D bioprinting is making it possible to fabricate tissues and organs with unprecedented precision, while advances in systems biology are providing holistic insights into the interactions between genes, proteins, cells, and environments. The promise of bioengineering is matched by its challenges. Ethical considerations are paramount, particularly in areas such as gene editing, synthetic biology, and personalized medicine. The ability to manipulate the building blocks of life raises profound questions about the boundaries of human intervention, the potential for unintended consequences, and the need for robust regulatory frameworks. Ensuring equitable access to bioengineering innovations, protecting privacy in an era of genomic medicine, and addressing the environmental impacts of new technologies are all critical issues that require ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public. Education and training in bioengineering are evolving to meet the demands of a rapidly changing field. Today's bioengineers are expected to be fluent in both the language of biology and the tools of engineering, with strong foundations in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and computer science. Interdisciplinary collaboration is not just encouraged but essential, as breakthroughs increasingly occur at the boundaries between traditional disciplines. Universities around the world have established dedicated bioengineering programs, reflecting the field's growing importance and its central role in the future of science and technology. Looking to the future, the trajectory of bioengineering is one of continued growth and transformation. Personalized medicine, powered by advances in genomics and data analytics, promises to tailor treatments to individual patients with unprecedented precision. Regenerative medicine and tissue engineering may one day eliminate the need for organ donors, while synthetic biology could enable the creation of entirely new forms of life designed to address specific challenges. In agriculture and the environment, bioengineering holds the key to sustainable food production, renewable energy, and ecosystem restoration. In summary, bioengineering is a field defined by its ambition, creativity, and impact. It bridges the gap between biology and engineering, science and society, the present and the future. By harnessing the principles of life and the power of technology, bioengineers are not only solving today's problems but also shaping the world of tomorrow. As we continue to explore the possibilities and responsibilities of this remarkable discipline, bioengineering stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring quest to understand, improve, and sustain life.